Okay, so we're gonna unbox the 2.5 gigabits network adapter, and yeah, let's just start that. So if you're like gonna buy to increase your network speeds, so I don't recommend you buy the 1 gigabit anyway. So most computer are compatible with 2.5 gigabit anyway. If you're like running this on your old server to increase its own gigabit, it have it, but 2.5 is like the best, cheapest to add it to your 1 gigabit internet speed. So if you're using like 10 gigabit internet speed, so 2.5 gigabits like the cheapest one. Like, yeah, that's it's like 15 bucks, 10 bucks, and how much the 10 gigabit, I guess it's like 100 bucks or something like that. And yeah, let's start it. So we're gonna unbox this thing. So let me pause a little bit, and we're gonna open it. And this is the 2.5 gigabit network adapter. So if you like building it, the your own desktop, so you should be very careful touching it anyway. Like, it may damage your motherboard if you like to install this thing. And yeah, so we got the CD and the Gigabit Express network adapter, something like that. So I'm gonna make a test. So I'm kind of sleepy anyway today. 2.5 gigabit. You know what? I'm gonna install it right down in the next video. Yeah, see you next video.